Chapter 23, Part E, Question number 41. A 50-year-old house is arranged such that when the front door is opened fully, it's possible for a person standing on the porch to look straight down a hallway into the main bathroom. This is an example of what? Design deficiency. True. Functional depreciation under the cost method of appraisal. That's also true because this is outmoded design. A patent defect. Patent means visible defect. So all of the above. So that's true. So it's a design deficiency because you can see from the porch who's sitting in the bathroom. It's like a absolutely design deficiency. So the answer is 4. Question number 42. Which of the following two statements are true? Two identical houses in Amble Green, a neighborhood in Surrey, BC, may have different appraised values because one property has a neatly cut lawn and other grows tall grass. One property faces north and the other south. So the answer is one property faces north and south. It makes a huge difference. Not because of a lawn, because lawn is not cut and the price is different. So answer is B. And what do you mean by substitution? So you need to know. So substitution means price paid for a commodity will be equal to the cost of acquiring a substitute under the same market condition. So for example, if you sell your home for $400,000, in the same market condition you can find the same kind of home for same price and the same market conditions. And what do you mean by market value of a property? So market value basically means price paid recently for similar properties. So market value means what price you paid recently for similar properties. An arm's length transaction. So when we make a deal, so basically there is no relationship between you and the buyer. So they are not your relative, they are not your friends. It means arm length transaction. It means no relationship, no special relationship between buyer and seller. And what do you mean by recent? So recent basically mean, this mostly comes in. Recent mean in the present market the supply and demand has not changed. It remained stable. And definition of similar. Similar only in factors having a major influence on buyers and seller. Example, zoning, lot size, age of building, size of building, number of principal units. And then we're gonna do, what do you mean by cost method? So the cost method basically means formula is value of the land plus improvement minus depreciation. And then the question is the comparison between historic and current cost. Historic mean what price you paid for. For example, if you bought a home 10 years before for $200,000, that means that's the historic cost. You paid $200,000 10 years before. And current mean what is the, if you buy the same kind of home today, how much is going to cost you today? Maybe 400,000. And then question is reproduction versus replacement cost. So reproduction basically means exact replica. So you are reproducing exactly the ditto copy. For example, you have an ancestral home and somehow the house is demolished. You want to build the exact replica, exactly the same. And other one is replacement cost. Replacement mean, for example, you have a house which you built in 2002 and the house burns down and you want to build now the modern equivalent. Doesn't matter how much it cost. Modern equivalent of that house. And so then come the physical and functional. So physical mean, so the physical wear and tear, and curable mean which you can cure economically. And physical incurable mean which you can't cure economically, just like the crack in the foundation. And physical curable like the paint and the carpet of the house. And then comes functional. So functional mean outmoded design. So there's nothing wrong with with the bathroom tub or bathroom fixture, but the design is now outdated, which can be corrected economically. And functional incurable mean, so the design which can't be cured economically, just like a narrow hallway. And so that's it for this chapter.